This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on a low-end PC. First, you'll want to dive into the in-game settings and set your graphics quality to the absolute lowest. This is crucial for performance. Next, make sure to close any applications running in the background, like web browsers or other games, to free up valuable system memory. Finally, a stable and fast internet connection, ideally over Wi-Fi or Ethernet, will significantly reduce lag and improve your overall experience. Beyond in-game adjustments, optimizing your system and software is key. Always keep your graphics drivers updated to their latest version. This can provide significant performance boosts. If you play Roblox through a web browser, opt for a lightweight one like Microsoft Edge or Brave, as they consume fewer resources. Additionally, consider using a reputable game booster application, which can temporarily suspend non-essential processes and dedicate more of your computer's power to the game. Let's delve deeper into Roblox's in-game graphics settings. First, change the graphics mode to manual, and then drag the graphics quality slider all the way to the left to its lowest setting. Playing in a smaller windowed mode instead of full screen can also reduce the rendering load on your graphics card. Crucially, disable features like shadows and reduce texture quality to 0 or 1. These are often the biggest culprits for performance drops on less powerful machines. Finally, some hardware and maintenance tips can make a big difference. Aim for at least 4 GB of RAM. 8 GB is even better for a smoother experience. Overheating can severely throttle performance, so regularly clean your computer's fans and vents to ensure proper airflow. If your budget allows, upgrading to a solid-state drive or adding more RAM are two of the most impactful hardware changes you can make for a noticeable boost in Roblox performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.